Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure through the heart of South Africa as we explore the magnificent Magaliesburg Express. But hold on tight, because we've got some unknown facts about this iconic train that will blow your mind. Did you know that the Magaliesburg Express has a rich history dating back to the early 1900s? This vintage steam train was initially built in 1912 and has been beautifully preserved to this day. As we chug along, you'll be mesmerized by the awe-inspiring scenery. The Magaliesburg Express offers a unique vantage point to witness the diversity of South Africa's landscapes, from rolling hills to lush forests and meandering rivers. It's a photographer's paradise. Here's a fun fact for all you movie buffs out there. The Magaliesburg Express had a starring role in the 1996 film, The Ghost and the Darkness. It shared the screen with none other than Val Kilmer and Michael Douglas. Today, we're making a stop at the Moropong Visitor Center, often called the Cradle of Humankind. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to some of the oldest human fossils ever discovered, making it a place of great historical significance. The Magaliesburg Express isn't just about the views, it's also a culinary journey. Their onboard dining car serves up mouth-watering South African cuisine, from bobotie to malva pudding. Don't miss out on this delectable experience. Have you ever heard of the Tunnel of Love? The Magaliesburg Express passes through several hidden tunnels, adding an extra layer of intrigue to your journey. It's like a secret passage through the mountains. Their passion for this historic train is truly inspiring. The Magaliesburg Express is perfect for families. It's not just a train ride, it's a memorable adventure for kids and adults alike. They even have special activities and entertainment for the little ones. Believe it or not, the Magaliesburg Express is committed to eco-friendly practices. They've made significant efforts to reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainable tourism. The Magaliesburg Express is a true marvel of steam-powered elegance. Its vintage locomotive is meticulously maintained and provides an authentic experience that's increasingly rare in the modern world of trains. Some passengers and staff have reported eerie encounters and strange occurrences during their journeys. It's as if the train has its own tales to tell. The locomotive used on the Magaliesburg Express has been in service for over a century, showcasing its remarkable durability and engineering. It's a testament to the craftsmanship of the past. South Africa's rich history of gold mining is closely tied to the Magaliesburg Express. The train was originally used to transport gold and other precious minerals from the mines, playing a pivotal role in the country's mining industry. The Magaliesburg Express has inspired countless artists and craftsmen. Its iconic image has been depicted in paintings, sculptures, and even jewelry. It's a symbol of South African creativity and culture. The allure of the Magaliesburg Express extends far beyond South Africa's borders. Tourists from around the world come to experience this unique journey, making it a truly global attraction. While you might not expect it, the Magaliesburg Express offers opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts. Keep an eye out, and you might spot various animals along the route, from birds to small mammals. During special seasons and holidays, the Magaliesburg Express undergoes magical transformations. From festive decorations to themed events, it's a fantastic way to celebrate the spirit of the occasion on board. Some parts of the Magaliesburg Express route are so remote that they're inaccessible by road. This means that the train can take you to places that are otherwise hidden from the typical tourist trail. The train stations along the Magaliesburg Express route are often historic landmarks themselves, preserving the charm and heritage of a bygone era. They add an extra layer of nostalgia to your journey. The Magaliesburg Express has forged strong connections with the local communities along its route. It provides economic opportunities and support to these areas, making it a force for positive change. The Magaliesburg Express offers luxurious vintage carriages that have been meticulously restored to their former glory. Some of these carriages date back to the early 1900s, providing passengers with an authentic taste of the past. For a unique experience, the Magaliesburg Express occasionally features live entertainment on board. From local musicians to storytellers, these performances add an extra layer of charm to your journey. Throughout its long history, the Magaliesburg Express has welcomed some famous passengers, including politicians, actors, and even royalty. Imagine sharing the same views as some of history's most notable figures. The Magaliesburg Express often makes stops in areas with minimal light pollution, making it an ideal platform for stargazing. Astronomy enthusiasts can enjoy breathtaking views of the night sky during their journey. Not only has the Magaliesburg Express appeared in movies, but its scenic route has also been used as a backdrop for numerous films and television shows, making it a sought-after location for filmmakers. Depending on the season, the train route is adorned with vibrant wildflowers. The diversity of flora you'll encounter during your journey is a testament to the natural beauty of South Africa. The train's gift shops offer an array of unique souvenirs that you won't find anywhere else. From handmade crafts to vintage train memorabilia, there's something for every collector. The Magaliesburg Express hosts themed excursions throughout the year, such as Wine and Dine and Halloween Express. These special trips offer a fresh perspective on the train's magic. For photography enthusiasts, the golden hour on the Magaliesburg Express is a must-experience moment. The way the setting sun bathes the landscape in a warm, golden light is simply breathtaking. Some parts of the train route pass by hidden waterfalls that are not accessible by any other means. Keep your camera ready, as you might discover these natural wonders during your journey. Beyond traditional South African fare, the Magaliesburg Express also offers gourmet dining experiences on certain journeys. Expect a culinary adventure featuring world-class dishes paired with local wines. Near some of the train stops, there are museums housing artifacts and exhibits related to the Magaliesburg Express and its role in South Africa's transportation history. The train carriages and stations are decked out in colorful decorations, adding a touch of magic to your journey. During some rides, the Magaliesburg Express offers educational programs, including lessons on the history of trains, wildlife, and the environment. Along the journey, you'll have the opportunity to visit artisanal craft markets, where local artisans showcase their handmade goods, adding a touch of creativity and culture to your experience. The knowledgeable guides on the Magaliesburg Express are passionate about history and provide passengers with fascinating insights into the train's past, turning each ride into a history lesson. If you plan your journey right, you can witness the breathtaking autumn foliage along the route. The train ride becomes a canvas painted with the warm hues of red, orange, and gold. Depending on the time of year, the Magaliesburg Express route comes alive with an explosion of wildflowers. Springtime, in particular, showcases a colorful tapestry of indigenous blooms that paint the landscape in vivid hues. For astronomy enthusiasts, the Magaliesburg Express sometimes offers stargazing events with experts on board. To enhance the authenticity of your journey, the Magaliesburg Express offers a unique luggage experience. Passengers can choose to travel with vintage-style luggage, adding a touch of nostalgia to their adventure. While on board, keep your eyes peeled for South Africa's diverse wildlife. You might be lucky enough to spot antelope, birds of prey, and even the elusive African leopard during your journey. The Magaliesburg Express has a distinctive, haunting whistle that's instantly recognizable. It's said to be inspired by traditional African melodies, adding a unique sonic dimension to the journey. On select trips, the Magaliesburg Express offers pop-up picnics at scenic spots along the route. Passengers can enjoy a gourmet picnic experience amidst the breathtaking landscapes. Deep within the journey lies a phantom station known as Vanished Vale. This station once served as a crucial stop along the route but mysteriously disappeared from all records and maps. It partners with local organizations to protect and preserve the natural habitats along its route, contributing to South Africa's rich biodiversity. Talented painters and sculptors create beautiful works of art inspired by the passing landscapes during their time on board. On some routes, the train passes by fossil-rich sites where you can see the preserved remains of ancient creatures that once roamed the region millions of years ago. Occasionally, you'll find local musicians and bands performing live on board the Magaliesburg Express. It's an immersive musical experience that enhances the journey's ambiance. Some passengers have reported strange occurrences in a particular carriage. During select rides, the Magaliesburg Express resurrects the old tradition of the train post office. Passengers can send letters and postcards with a unique, mailed on the train postmark. The train often collaborates with local farmers and food producers to showcase the region's culinary delights. You can enjoy fresh produce and artisanal foods during your journey. They house collections of historical artifacts, photographs, and documents related to the train's history. Exploring the Magaliesburg Express reveals a world filled with hidden treasures and remarkable stories. These additional unknown facts showcase the train's incredible diversity and the depth of experiences it offers. Share these captivating facts with fellow adventurers, and stay tuned for more exciting journeys on our channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until our next adventure, keep discovering the extraordinary world around you.